Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how to do PEMDAS. So ano nga ba ang PEMDAS? PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So basically ganito lang yung kanyang sequence. Itong definition nito is sequence kung paano ka magmumultiply kung anong uunahin mo. Kung parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, and subtraction. So, ang lagi mo una dapat is parentheses or exponents. So, kapag yung parentheses and exponents, pwede nyo na lang siyang isolve from left to right. Like this thing too. Kapag may dalawang multiplication at division, you're just going to straight left to right multiplicate you want to solve them by left to right kapag silang dalawa lang, multiplication division. So we have a series of practice problems for this kind of things. So number 1, let's solve it. So 7 plus 4 times 3. So by using PEMDAS, mas nauuna ang multiplication kaysa sa addition. As you can see here, mas nauna ang multiplication kaysa sa addition. So, unahin natin ang 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Copy this plus and 7. 7 plus 12. So, 7 plus 12 is 19. So, 19 ang sagot dyan. Next problem, 36 minus 12 divided by 3. So, notice na sa PEMDAS, ang unahin dapat natin is division. Kasi as you can see here, mas naunang division kaysa sa subtraction. Nasa pinakababa ang subtraction. So, 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Kasi 4, 8, 12. Tatlong 3 yan. 4, 8, 12. So, 4. Sagot yan. 36 minus 4 is 32. Next problem. So, paano naman pag ganito? We have the same sa number 3. So, sabi ko nga kanina, we're just going from left to right kapag magkasama ang multiplication at division. Paano naman kapag addition at subtraction yan? We're just going to do it from left to right also. So we're just going to do this left to right. So 24 divided by 6 muna. 6 to 18, 24. So 4 yan. Times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 ang sagot yan. So next, number 4. So pas-pas lang tayo. Bilis na. Because this is easy. So notice na meron na ulit tayong sign na magkakapareho. Dito, multiplication, division, magkasama sa number 2. So, ang gagawin natin is from left to right. So, dito tayo. Simula tayo sa 8, 5, and 4. 8 times 5 is 40 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. Kasi 10 times 4 is 40. Basic. Okay. Next. So, paano naman pag naka-fraction? So, 24 plus 10 over 10 minus 4. So, ang gagawin just is add nyo yung numerator and denominator. Kahit ano naman una dyan. So, 24 plus 10 is 34 over 10 minus 4 is 6. And then now, we're just going to divide it. This is the same as this thing, which is the same as this thing sa last video. There you go. They are all the same. So, 34 divided by 6 is not divisible. So, 34 is not divisible by 6. Therefore, ito na yung sagot natin. Pwede pa natin pa-i-clean yan. But it will cost a lot of time. Maybe not. Sige, pag-clean natin. So 34, we can just 17 times 2. 17 times 2 is 34. Sa 6, we can just 3 times 2. Notice na we can cancel the 2. So, pwedeng maging sagot yan is 17 over 3. We can transform this into a mixed fraction kung marunong na kayo yan. So, anong pinakamalapit? 5. So, 3. Then, 15 yun. So, 2. There we go. Next problem, we have number 6. So, we have a parenthesis. So, mas nauna ang parenthesis kaysa sa multiplication. See? So, unahan natin ang parenthesis, which is nasa loob. So, copy the 4. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now, we are going to multiply. 8 times 4 is, I think, number 32. Now, we have this problem. This is kind of massive. So, kahit na naman ang unahan dyan, pero para sa akin, I think, much better kapag unahin ng exponents. So, let's start with exponents. So, we're just going to copy this. 4 minus 2. Oh, nagkakulay siya ng kanya. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is... 3 squared is just the same as 3 times 3. Kasi, dalawang beses mo. And yung 2 raised to the 4th power is just same as this thing. 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. So, just 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So, 16 ang sagot dyan. So, we have this thing. No, di pa tayo tapos dyan. That thing is kind of massive, no? So, parenthesis ulit unahin natin. Kasi nasa taas siya. Ng pendas. So, 9 minus 16. So, 7. And notice na mas malaki itong 16. And siya may negative sign. So, negative 7. Sagot. So, now, next thing we're going to do is multiply. So, we're going to multiply 2 times 7, 14. Tapos negative times negative, positive. So, 2 times 7 is 14. Positive 14. Next is, unahin natin yung parenthesis. 14 plus 4 is 18. Now, we have 18 times 3. This base, pwede natin gawin ganito. You can do this thing. Para mas madali. 8 times 3 is 8, 16, 24. Sa taas yung 2. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1. Plus 2 sa taas is 5. So, 54. So, ang sagot dyan sa massive problem na yan is 54. So, we're just gonna delete our solution. And add 54 here. There you go. So, now we have another massive problem. So, unahin muna natin yung parenthesis. 4 squared is same as 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. See? So, 4 times 4 is 16. So, we have 16. Ngayon, unahin natin yung mga exponents muna, di ba? So, 2 squared is same as 2 times 2 times 2. Tatlong beses kasi tatlo yung nakalagay doon. 2 times 2 is 4. And baba natin yung 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So, 8 ang sagot yan. Over. Makalimutan natin yung sign. So, we can just add this thing. So, 23. Next, we're going to do is multiply. Parenthesis, diba? 8, 16, 24. 8, 16, 24. Divided by 23. So, ngayon, we have 16 plus 24. So, 24 plus 20 is 44. Minus 4 is 40. So, 40 siya. Notice na odd number yung 23, which means hindi siya divisible. Yung 40 hindi divisible, 23. Which means this is the answer. Hindi natin pwedeng pa-explain to. This is not an even number. This is hello. Which means we can just divide this. So now, so 40 over 23, sagot dyan, no? So 40 over 23. So we have a lot of mess. Next. So this is pretty straightforward. Just gonna do the multiplication first kasi nasa taas siya. Diba? As you consider. 8, 16, 24. So, same thing kanina, 40 ang sagot. Next problem. So, this is the last problem. You can try it. Alam nyo nung madali lang to. So, from left to right lang to kasi nasa pareho silang nasa 3. So, from left to right. 6 plus 4 is 10. Minus 3 is 7. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to do PEMDAS and what is its definition. Thank you for watching.